Hi Brad, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2000 Buell. It's an X1 Lightning, this is what they call it. It has very low mileage, just 4,500 kilometers on it. And price is $57.88. Comes fully certified, as you see. Has the brand new tires on it, front and back. Spark plugs were done. It's in amazing condition. New battery on it. This is original frame on it, matching the rims. It's a bright yellow. So the bike is here. It's available. We can talk about price. You know, if you are interested, please come in, take a look, and then we'll go from there. If you wanna give me a call, and if you have any other questions, please call me back. Call me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.